everyone. My name is Mgadi, a founder of Indlondlo Cultural Village. Today is a big day as we celebrate the award that we won from National Heritage Art Council. Our place was voted as #1 preferred heritage site.
You are you certainly a deserving preferred cultural destination. So anyone they must come to Indlondlo Cultural Village.
Part of that initiative is really to take some of us and our culture to the world, to get them excited about South Africa and what we have to offer everyone in terms of our culture, our food. And so I'm taking 6 of our Zulu performers from the Indlondlo Cultural Village to Amsterdam in February, the first week of February.